Taking medicine as a blind or visually impaired person is generally not that difficult, right? Typically comes in pill form and we just count that out, and if our medicine bottles feel and look the same to us, we just use bump dots to help sort and identify our medicine bottles. However, baby and children's medicine is a little bit different because it comes in liquid form, and to me that was more difficult. They often also included a plastic syringe to help you measure and administer the medicine. This is great if you can see it. Hey y'all, thanks again so much for checking out my little channel Seeing Blind. This is part of my Blind Mom Hacks series, so I hope you hit that thumbs up for me, and also don't forget to subscribe so that I know that you're a fan and you can catch my future Blind Mom Hacks videos. This one I'm going to talk about how I adapted this syringe so that I could accurately give my children medicine when they needed relief and it was just me. I'm also going to talk about alternative ways to administer the medicine when they start to fight the syringe. I also have one more tip at the very end of the video, so I hope you stick with me. Let's get started on adapting your syringe. Okay guys, so I have all different types of syringes here. We have not purchased any of these. They always come with the medicine boxes or the prescriptions that my children have received. You just accumulate these, and so you always want to save them. To make them work for me, I had to make them tactile. Stickers and marks and things like that just don't work on these devices. The stickers will just come off, as you use the plunger. Marks will fade as you continuously wash them and sanitize them with each use. So before I get to how I make this work, first, you may need someone sighted to assist you with this process, or potentially the Be My Eyes app might be sufficient as well. First, know how much medicine your child needs. You'll need to get the dose on the bottle of your medicine. It's usually done by weight. Once you know the correct dose, you'll need someone to help you potentially. I can't see the syringe, so I usually have to have someone help me pull the plunger until it is at the correct measurement. When I know the plunger is out and in the correct placement to measure the correct dose, I will take scissors and put the plunger in the scissors, and you'll want to put the scissors right up close to the applicator top so that you are making a crease right there at where the plunger is exiting the applicator. And you'll want to just turn the syringe around, really putting pressure down with the scissors to indent the plunger, making a crease, a ring all the way around. Once you've done that, check your work. You want to make sure you can feel that crease right there. It does take quite a bit of pressure to make an indentation in the plastic that is, definitely noticeable. When that's done, next put your syringe in your medicine, pull that syringe out, and when you feel that ring, that indent that you just made, you know you've accurately measured your medicine and you have the correct dose in your syringe. This method has worked great for me for years. I don't have to wait for anyone sighted to assist me. My kids don't have to wait. They can instantly get relief, and I know that I am measuring it correctly. So each medicine bottle, of course, all medicines will, have different amounts and dosages and things like that, and you will eventually learn how to sort which syringe goes with each medicine bottle. Just know that as your child gets bigger and their weight increases, the dose will also increase as well. So as you purchase more medicine and you gain more syringes, when you increase in dose, you will need to repeat this process again so that your syringe has the new, updated, correct, larger dose, and throw the old syringe away. That way it is not confused with the new dose amount. Alright guys, so next let's move on to an alternative way to administer the medicine if your child no longer accepts it from the syringe. If your child no longer accepts medicine from a syringe, hopefully they are old enough by now to take juice from a juice box using a straw. So what you will do, this is what we like to do, is you will put the straw in and you'll go ahead and drink a bit. Once you've drunk a bit of the juice out, you'll take your syringe with your measured amount of medicine. You will poke that into the juice box, put your finger over the hole, give it a good shake, put your straw back in, and there you go. Try to encourage them to drink the whole amount of juice box. This again has worked great for our older daughter, who really became very defensive against the syringe. So that's how we give her medicine of all kinds to this day. Moving on, here's how you can store your medicine. Using color-coded cubbies or boxes is a great way to store your medicine because you can separate adult from children's medicines, and you can easily pull it down without knocking over anything and mixing the medicines up. For my last tip, I suggest having, just like a first aid kit, a sick kit. We use a clear plastic container here, and you can see everything in it. It's always prepped, ready to go, so that if the children are sick, I can easily, efficiently grab what I need. And if we are in a hurry or traveling or going to the doctor's office, I can also quickly grab that bag and know the essentials are always with me. All right, hopefully one of these 3 things helps and benefits you. If so, give me a good thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. You can hit this link over here, or you can check out another video of mine. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.